On YouTube, yeah. Or last time I did that, which was I think a year ago. That's what it was. Then it was just nothing but idiots on the comment section. Marquette fireworks are better. No, Negaunee's are better.
Whoever would say that Marquette's are better? I've never been to a good.
Fuck Marquette.
Well, now it's gonna be on the audio.
There it is. Somebody's getting burnt to shit on that bar.
I like that boat on player. I like that boat on player.
Somebody's getting burnt to shit on that bar. Fuck you. We're just gonna burn you. I'd love to. I'm sure. Either that or they're trained.
Like they don't got Google.
Oh, no. That one's Coca-Cola. No way.
Yeah.
That's a high one. Woo! Drop it at Boston fishing. It's still going on.
This is taking
I think one of them caught fire.
This is taking too goddamn long. My arms are getting tired. Grab me a beer.
You need to calm down.
Why?
Yeah, thank you. Exactly. Enjoy.
Hey, get out of here, you bum! Say your beer!
Fucking bum!
I love bums.
Bum's jungle, whatever happened to that place? They had to fucking bulldoze and build condominiums.
Madison, I gotta take the audio off this picture if I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube. You can print loud the audio.
It's gonna be a good one.
It'll get like
it'll be like your mom. Oh, they got any fireworks show on YouTube.
Oh, it's Ben talking about how midgets are God's little punchline.
Woo!
Oh, I was.
That one sucked. That's a big one. That's a boomer.
Whoa! I had to back up just to put it all on my screen.
I want a weeping willow.
I'm not sure what year it was, but I swear one year they were shooting like right overhead, and it was like dangerously low to the ground.
Yeah.
Remember that year? Remember that year? Everybody's ducking.
That was my
I
favorite.
like it that way.
It's like we're running through the beaches of Normandy.
It kept me on edge. I like it.
That was the best fucking year. Everybody, you walk in the bar like
Love fireworks.
covered in soot.
Fucking, I am so happy right now. Oh, love fireworks.
Woo!
That's what I was waiting for.
Where's the giant star?
Right? Where's the American flag ones?
What? Oh, you actually were on the beach in Normandy on 4th of July, weren't you?
Yeah, I was. It was a pretty good fireworks show.
No, Brandon actually
Lots
was.
of red fireworks.
This is good.
Right? They got a shit ton of words.
Woo!
Alright, I'm pausing.
They should have divided these into two and then launched them both off at the same time. That'd have been a lot better.
Alright, Mattis, if you want this on YouTube, you gotta take the camera for a second.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you might have to check both of my YouTube accounts, because the real reason I have two accounts is I forgot the password for one.
Oh, did that perk an interest when they brought that up, or what?
It's not dark enough though.
Yeah, one was like Quaz 57, and
You
the
should have
other
waited
was
till
like
11.
Grossman.
Well, okay. I wasn't sure I had one because it'd been so long since I posted on the quad.
Yeah, because I think they were both Zach Brittlinger videos of him drinking. Or singing and drinking.
They're both good.
At Flanagan's, yeah. Woo!
Alright, I'm gonna finish this beer before the grand finale, and then I'm gonna finish another one during.
You can get like sports.
Love it. It's a big one. There's got to be another barge somewhere.
You know, warm Bush Light is not that bad.
Bush Light, I love Bush Light.
No, but when it's warm, it's not that much. It's not much worse.
Love it. Love it. Sparkling.
Unfortunately, GSX tips.
This doesn't have a limit on how long you can record for? No shit. Guy told me he's got to put on YouTube.
Love it. That says if you go into YouTube and type in Negaunee, it'll be
fireworks.
just fireworks go. But me and Matt's just been having a conversation.
On YouTube, Fireworks Factory, Fire. That's going on
What?
live.
I might need to catch this video.
Did you ever order those pizzas?
11:45. And we could have actually had them 25
There it
minutes
is.
before I ordered that. But I figured 11:45, you know, go to Denny's,
Thank you.
a few beers.
Ben, you're gonna have to beer me.
Woo! Woo!
Boom, boom.
Hey! Woo! You just seem really slow paced.
I'm so happy right now.
I love fire. I hope this goes on till
I
the
love
morning.
fireworks. I hope they burn Negaunee down.
Bite your tongue, Rick. I love Negaunee.
Me too, but as long as there's fireworks going off, I don't care what's on fire. As long as bar's okay.
Just Alan.
Woo! You can rebuild it for $50.
Madison getting pretty good at that.
I am.
It's hard. It's kind of hard to predict at first, isn't it?
Oh, this one like barely even showed up on me. I lost it. Don't see. Oh, here we go.
That was great. Loved it.
I feel like all my internal memory is gonna be gone.
Boom, boom.
45 minutes of Negaunee fireworks.
Your arm's gonna fall asleep.
I can take a shift.
We gotta have more than one bar.
Okay, hold on. Wait till it slows down a little bit.
This will kill my whole family.
Okay, go now. Go now. If you post it, man, I will watch it from beginning to end.
So why? I'll probably watch it like every day at work. Just kidding. I don't even
Show
go.
all the people you work with, like, hey, look what I did over the weekend.
I think YouTube's blocked at work for good reason because we would do stuff like that probably.
You could get around it.
How sweet would that be, though?
I could.
How sweet would that be? No, be in a plane right now. Just watch the
No, I actually don't really ever. I don't even go.
Fuck your own.
Last year, July 4th.
Whoa! USA! USA!
China, do they do like fireworks?
They have
I
fireworks.
think they did it for the Olympics.
That's where they make them. Are you
They
kidding
have
me?
fireworks,
I think they
but
did.
they don't do it for 4th of July.
They throw fireworks on the back of their cars.
Well, I got you. We went to, I was there for the Chinese national holiday. It was like it was right when I got there. It was like September something through the last week of September. It was a week long. And all it was fucking people lighting fucking firecrackers and fucking artillery shells off. Yeah, nobody worked for a whole week.
Like blow up a house.
No. Nobody worked for a whole week. Everything was shut down. You couldn't even go to a restaurant.
Oh. I hope this shows up.
Nobody does anything for a week. Week long. One day holiday. One day holiday goes for a fucking week.
So what, Rick?
It was
So what, Rick? When the
great.
when the Final Four season comes around, nothing gets
The
gets.
whorehouses are still open, obviously. The bars.
Oh my God!
Woo!
I remember bathing suit. Where'd you go?
That's a big one.
playing badminton.
Rick, not getting anything done for a week, like for the
That's when it was great. 'Cause it was the first time I was over there.
I want to see what Linus looks like. You walk into bars, bar lights.
awesome. Best fireworks ever! Eat your heart out, Marquette!
Not even the grand finale.
Does Wood even have fireworks?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna comment.
What the hell?
Yeah!
Shoot some more. No way that's it.
Screw Barack Obama in the recession.